How do you pay yourself from your LLC? If you're a new business owner, this can be a confusing topic, but it's crucial to get it right. In this video, I'm going to break down the different ways you can pay yourself from your LLC, how it works with taxes, and give you some tips to stay organized and compliant that I learned along the way, sort of the hard way. But before we dive in, I want to state I'm not a lawyer or a tax professional, but I've been doing this for quite some time and I feel confident talking about it. So let's start with the basics. The way you pay yourself from your LLC depends on how your LLC is taxed. By default, single member LLCs are treated as disregarded entities, and multi-member LLCs are treated as partnerships. Hopefully that makes sense. Both of these are considered pass-through entities, meaning the LLC's profits and losses flow directly from your personal tax return. If your LLC is taxed as a pass-through entity, you pay yourself through owner's draws. An owner's draw is when you take money out of your LLC's profits and you transfer it to your personal account. There's no need to set up a payroll system or withhold taxes for this type of payment. However, you'll need to pay self-employment taxes on the income, so it's important to plan for this appropriately. So let's give a quick little example. Let's say your LLC earned $50,000 in profit last year. You can draw $40,000 as personal income while leaving $10,000 in the business for expenses or growth. The key is to track these transfers carefully to avoid mixing personal and business finances. Hopefully that makes sense. If your LLC is taxed as an S corporation or a C corporation, things work differently. In this case, you'll need to pay yourself a salary through payroll. As an employee of your LLC, your salary will include tax withholdings such as Social Security and Medicare taxes. If your LLC is an S Corp, you can also take distributions, which aren't subject to self-employment taxes, making this a popular option for LLC owners looking to minimize tax liability. That really has you thinking, right? All right. So, no matter how your LLC is taxed, keeping accurate financial records is crucial, guys. This is where QuickBooks has completely saved my own personal life with all this stuff. It tracks expenses, your income, calculating draws, payroll, literally everything. This tool isn't so valuable for me. I'll throw my affiliate link in the description. I always tell people. Okay, so let's now talk about taxes. When you pay yourself from your LLC, you're actually responsible for reporting that income on your personal tax return. A lot of people don't know this or they just forget it. So for pass-through entities, this means filing a Schedule C if you're a single member LLC or a Schedule K1 for multi-member LLCs. So make sure you set aside enough money for taxes throughout the year to avoid surprises. And paying estimated quarterly taxes can help you stay ahead. Another important tip is to have a clear operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines how profits are distributed among members and how much you can draw and any limits on those draws. Even if you're the sole owner of your LLC, having an operating agreement in place can help keep things organized and protect you in case of disputes or audits. Yes, everyone's nightmare, right? Audits. Okay, so wrapping this up here, lastly, you need to be mindful of keeping your personal and business finances separate. That's always it's huge, guys. It's key. Open a dedicated business account for your LLC and only use it for business-related transactions. This not only simplifies tracking your income and expenses, but also helps maintain your LLC's liability protection. All right, so let's recap this because this was a lot. So, paying yourself from your LLC depends on how your business is taxed. Pass-through entities use owner's draws while S Corps and C Corps require payroll. Regardless of the method, staying organized is crucial, and that's where tools like QuickBooks really helps manage everything. Again, the link will be in the description. And if you're ready to streamline your LLC's finances and make paying yourself stress-free, it really helps streamline your LLC's finances and just makes paying yourself stress how valuable QuickBooks is. Again, link in the description. And again, hit me up in the comments if you have any further questions about this. I do try to reply and answer everything. And before you go, I think you should check out this next popular video right here. I think you're gonna love it.